welcome to my first Halloween tutorial. Coming to you from the Morphe, and that is my face right now. So yeah, it's going to be a Halloween werewolf tutorial. Hope you enjoy. That's all I've got to say. Let's roll into it. Bye bye. So one of the first things I'm doing is I'm blending the eye, and I'm bringing it up like a big flick, just like that kind of motion, but you want to build it up. I'm being quite free rein about this. I ain't being like fussy. Like, I like this because it's ashy and it's like ashy brown colour, so it's like a dirt colour, werewolf dirt colour. I'm not being fussy. I would normally be really fussy, but I think because it's a wolfy look, I kind of want it to look a little bit muddy and a bit not perfect on the edges. I'm just going to use that same fluffy brush just to blend it all in together nicely. But again, I'm really not being fussy. I'm just letting it occur the way it will, because it's going to happen either way. I'm blending all those shades in together. And then I am just adding some MAC Studio Fix powder under my under eye to brighten it all up. This is in the shade NC20. There's a little cream on the top that I'm going to use to bring down to my tear duct to open up the eye. Now I've applied the false lashes, I am going to go in and start the brows. The Dipbrow pomade I'm using is by Anastasia Beverley Hills, and it is in the shade Taupe. So I'm just going to go over where my brow naturally forms, give myself a little outline, fill that in real quick. I'm not going to go on the ends because I'm not going to use that bit. Take some glue stick. Ideally don't get a pink one, but this is all I have around. And then afterwards I am just going to go over it with a bit of concealer. Taking the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, I'm just going to do that. And then I'm just going to set that with the banana powder. Then I'm using Hoola Lite, and I'm just going to go on the edge of what I've just done, coming down from the eyes, just so it looks a little bit more sculpted out, if you will. And a little bit more wolfy. Doing a bit of light bronzer at the sides too. I'm just going to go back in now I've done that bronzing with that super light face powder, so it has a bit more focus in the centre. I'm then just going to go in and I'm going to contour. And one of the next things I want to do is I'm going to take my Espresso Brow Pomade by NYX and I'm going to draw on those brow hairs. And then I'm literally just applying strokes, sort of messily probably, a lot of people would think, just to where the hairs are. Yeah, it's in line with my contouring. And then I'm going to go in and colour my lips. I'm going to use the Cork Lip Liner by MAC and Buffy Liquid Lipstick by Lime Crime. Okay, and then to finish off the look, I am just going to add some Werewolf contacts. Yep, they're called Wolf Eye, so I got sold. And then the look will be complete.